Oh, hey. So I know it's been a while. I've been busy building the salon. The last video I did, I think, was with the arches and how I made those. I've built a bunch of stuff since then, and I haven't filmed it because I just haven't had the time. Trying to get this thing open for the wife. Just been crazy busy at work and then doing that after work. Anyway, this is going to be a little table project, and it is upcycling 101. This is what upcycling is. And what I have out of an old abandoned warehouse came these 2x6 shelving boards, right? They were in these big metal racks and they went crossways. Anyway, I stole 3 or 4 stacks of these like this, and I'll have to take these metal brackets off that are on it. But I'm going to use these boards that are probably 50, 60, 75 years old. I'm going to make some table legs out of it. And then I'm going to use a cutting board that we got as a gift many years ago from Aunt Jen. Hi, Aunt Jen. Thank you. No offense. Love you. Love the cutting board, but we don't use this cutting board anymore. It's huge. It just sat on our counter for the last few years. It hasn't done anything other than we put clean dishes on it. We now use smaller, much more portable cutting boards, and it's dried out. It needs to be sanded down. So I'm going to use this for a tabletop. I'm going to use this for the legs, and I'm going to create a little table that goes next to the sink that they mix hair color and stuff in. Anyway, again, upcycling 101. This is what we do. If you take something that really has no value or that it's not being used and you repurpose it, you upcycle it into something that has value. The table legs themselves is going to be kind of a neat way I do it. Very simple, kind of crude, but the effect is kind of neat and anybody can do it. So let's check it out. I appreciate you being with me. Sorry it's been so long, and all right, here we go. I don't know that it gets much easier than that, right? So we cut a 45 down the middle, flipped it around, we glued them together, we nailed them. So we got 4 basic table legs here. A little sanding, cleaning up, and they're going to look cool. But I'm going to do one more step, and this is a little trick just to give it a little bit more dimension, to make it look a little bit more delicate than just like a workbench table leg, right? Because they're going to be 4 of these table legs like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take off this edge and this edge by running it through the table saw one more time, just to give it some dimension, and you'll see the end product, what it looks like. So let's do that real quick. Again, super simple to do. This is just a little trick, add a little bit of dimension to a very basic table leg thing. Oh hey, so there you have it. This is about 8 hours today it took me. So it's a 1 day simple build, kind of a butcher blocky standing looking type table. But this is going to go in the hair salon next to the mixing sink. So when they mix up the hair color, they have a little place to mix it here, and then goes in the sink and they rinse it out, clean their tools and their bowls and their brushes out. So there we go. This is the Upcycle Repurpose 101. Old cutting board, found 2x6 material and cutoffs. So I literally, this is all stuff I had lying around. This is the idea of recycling, reclaiming, upcycling, repurposing, and I love it. I think it came out really cool. Coat of wax and some boiled linseed oil for the top. It's not going to be eaten off of, so I didn't worry about using like a beeswax. It's boiled linseed oil, going to coat a furniture wax on top of it, wipe everything down. Looks cool. It's got the distressed look, antique-y stuff to it. The product I used over the white paint, I painted everything white, sanded it off to show the grain, exposed a lot of the wood, and then I put a Rust-Oleum product called Decorative Glaze. Anyway, it gives it a weathered, aged look. Thank you all so much. Click like and subscribe, all of that stuff. Tell me why you like it and don't like it. And I love you all. We'll see you next time. Thanks.